Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nasdaq Flash here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how Wells Fargo dropped down today and why is that. So before we begin, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own due diligence and research before taking part in any investment scheme. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're also going to be doing the ratings at the end of Wells Fargo and Co. after in the end of this video what analysts rate Wells Fargo as, so stay tuned. So this morning at 12:45, this morning at 11:05 was 48.88, doing fine, climbing up to 49, 48, 49-ish, and it just suddenly drops down like crazy to 45.30. Now it's back to $45.70. So it's doing great though. Its market cap is 187.66 billion. P/E ratio is great, 13.25. Everything otherwise seems pretty normal. So let's see why Wells Fargo dropped down today. So 5 years into scandals that have already cost Wells Fargo and Co. more than $5 billion in fines and legal settlements. Regulators are privately signaling they're not still satisfied with the bank's progress in compensating victims and shoring up controls. The Office of the Comptroller of the Currency and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau have warned the firm that they may bring new sanctions over the company's pace in fulfilling those obligations. According to people with knowledge of the situation, the bank which signed so-called consent orders with the agencies 3 years ago has sought more time to get the work done, the people said. It isn't clear when the watchdogs might proceed. Fresh sanctions would be especially noticeable and notable if they fault progress under Wells Fargo's new management team, which took over in late 2019 to clean up the scandals that triggered lawmakers' ire and prompted the Federal Reserve to cap the bank's growth. Ow, that seems like a troublemaker. Chief Executive Officer Charlie Scarf, who joined the firm after a string of predecessors stepped down, has called satisfying U.S. authorities its highest priority. Okay. The bank stock actually erased earlier gains entirely and still up 5.6% down, regardless of whatever it did. Okay, as of 3:30 p.m. EDT, Wells Fargo stock had fallen more than 6%, while most other big banks were either flat or marginally higher on the day. Okay. To be clear, this is just one report, and we have no concrete evidence that any regulatory claim is imminent. It's also worth noting that even after today's decline, the bank stock is still up 84% over the past year. So while this is certainly worth keeping an eye on, it isn't exactly reasons for investors to panic. That's my opinion and the writer's opinion both. I agree with it totally. So this is not financial advice. Do your own research, please. But Wells Fargo and Co. WFC receives a strong valuation score of 93 from Investors Observer Analysis. We look at the overall health of the community by looking at the stock price, earnings, and growth rate for good value. FYI, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. And it's got a better value than 93% of stocks at its current price. So we are still good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it till the end of this video, if you're one of those lovely, beautiful people, thank you. Please make sure to subscribe and comment powder puff in the comments below. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.